Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? On this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how to achieve a very simple and easy ponytail. My hair has been washed and moisturized, like I've done all the good stuff, so I'm just going into this tutorial. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel to watch my videos, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. This is where all the good stuff happens. So I'm just prepping my hair. I'm showing you guys the volume of my hair and I'm just parting it. This is going to be a center part ponytail. So I'm doing the stuff that hairstylists usually do, where they line from the nose just to get that perfect part. Now that I'm done parting, I'm just combing my hair to make sure it's flat enough for this tutorial. And now it's time to secure my hair. I'll be securing it with this ouchless band. Please guys, don't use rubber bands because they tend to break your hair. So I'm just securing this with my ouchless band. These ouchless bands are not expensive at all. They are really good. They don't break your hair and they help secure your hair safely. Now that is out of the way, I'm going to be going in with my edge control, and I'm just going to be using this lightly because I don't want to make use of too much edge control. And this is because I'm not a fan of applying so much edge controls on my hair. I don't like it at all, basically because I try to avoid breakage as much as possible. Now this is the extension I'm making use of. It's a kinky extension from Expression, so that's what I'll be making use of. It has about 4 bundles in it, so I'm just making use of 2 bundles and I'll be folding that into 2. Then I use another ouchless band to secure it so that I can attach it to my hair. Watch carefully how I attached this to my hair. It's super easy. It doesn't take a lot. It doesn't require a whole lot. Just basically like you're using your rubber band. So this is how I achieve this simple ponytail. Afterwards, I took some of the extension and then I wrap it around where the ouchless band is visible. And now I'm done. So that's basically how you achieve this simple ponytail. I'm just basically pulling out the hair to give it more volume. If you don't want it to have much volume, you can just leave it like that. So I'm just basically doing that, and then I go ahead to secure some part of the hair with my bobby pins. Take a look at that smile. That's evidence that I'm satisfied with the outcome. So next I trimmed out the excesses, the tangled tips, and that's basically it. Now I'm just going to finish up with my look and I'll be back. I'm done guys. So what do you think? Is this an hairstyle you'll be trying out? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.